Good morning, everyone. This is Leke from Cosby Finance, and thanks for watching and thanks for stopping by. And this week we've been having a lot of glorious results in our trading, especially for the synthetic accounts, which is the volatility indexes and also for the crypto markets. Well, basically you can see that BTC in itself and Ethereum USD is on the spike, on the upward trend. And as we mentioned last week, we expected that we're going to have a climb after we see a breakout. Yes, because basically the best strategy for trading the crypto market is the breakout strategy. So I always insist that you stick to the breakout strategy. What is the breakout strategy? Basically, it's a strategy that recognizes consolidations and wait for the breakout candle, yes, to the upside out of the consolidation. Yeah, so on a confirmation of your breakout candle or your breakout from the consolidation is where you place your entry, and the MACD makes it quite easy for us, whereby we don't have to stress ourselves to know when there's a breakout. The MACD gives us an upward cross, yeah, so, and that helps us to recognize that a breakout is imminent and I would say as they taking place. So for this week, our Bitcoin and Ethereum analysis or update is before you. And if you're new to this channel, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel. I also hit the bell button so that I can get notifications whenever we upload videos and content that are helpful for you to be profitable as a trader. And also, if you want to get signals and also want to learn how to trade, I want to get our free strategy for trading the volatility indices like V75, boom and crash. Just check the description below and you will see the link to our Telegram group. So I'm waiting for you there and you will be profitable. Now for this week, we'll be expecting that Bitcoin in itself will be touching the $12,824. And remember our last analysis, which I mentioned that we might have some consolidations for a while before the breakout. Yeah, and that was what exactly happened. That was what happened. You notice that Bitcoin was ranging between these prices, 11,988 and 11,443. Yes, yeah, usually I like to draw my charts in your presence, but due to time constraints I had to just fix this and before showing you today. Now all you just need to do is just to, like I mentioned in the previous analysis for last week, I said once you see your breakout from a consolidation, yeah, which is this the consolidation here. This is what I mean by consolidation. You can see this up down movement. Yeah, this is a consolidation. You need to see is within a range, within a resistance, within a support. I remember I mentioned that this 11,988 is a major support, is resistance. So breaking it is going to be a tremendous breakthrough. Yes, breaking this resistance is going to be a tremendous breakthrough. So now we've broken this. Bitcoin price broke 11,988, yeah, some few hours ago. I think that should be 8 hours ago. Yes, 8 hours ago. And you can see our MACD cross just right here. Yes, our MACD cross right here. So if you had waited for, if we had come in at exactly when the MACD crossed, which was here, we would have even picked this. We would have been able to pick this long candle. Yes, we would have been able to pick this long candle, and as you can see that Bitcoin has had already a 40 has gone up in the difference of 40. That is from here to here. It has made approximately about $40. Yeah, and we're looking at 0.3%. So well, there are two things that could happen. Since we've had a cross here, we might have a continuation to the upside, and we'll be hitting 12,824, or we might have a retest. You can have a retest that is a pullback to our previous resistance, which is now a support at 11,988, before we now see the push up towards our target of 12,824. Then for Ethereum in itself, it's also about to push up higher. Yes, it's about to push up higher. Now Ethereum has not yet started moving, so I believe you can still pick it quickly before it moves. Now it moved last week from here, from 375. You can see this support here. Let's see this. All right, let me change this color to pink. Okay, yep, you can see it moved from here. There was a consolidation around here. It moved from here, then broke this line here and jumped towards here, then retest here, then is moving within this range now, which is 443 and 430. So we expect that it's going to move away from here and also hit 480. So our target for this week for Ethereum, once it breaks out from this range and we see our MACD cross to the upper side, what we expect is 480 as our target. That's 480.95 as our target. So basically that's what we should be expecting for BTC and Ethereum for this week. And also let me just quickly show you something. Usually I don't do this, but I just want to give you something quick that you can use for yourself, and that's a USD JPY. Now USD JPY is on a downtrend, not just a downtrend, a strong downtrend. Yep, it's on a strong downtrend. Can you see this? So for those of you that like to trade Bitcoin, I will advise that, for those of you that like to trade Forex, I will advise that you get into this market. You can see that right here. Let me show you what I mean. You can see right here, the market hit. Yep, you can see that here the price dropped from here. The price dropped here, had a few consolidations, and dropped to this level, then retest here again. This is what you call the areas of value, important areas of, these are areas of value. Now this place was formerly a resistance, a support. It broke it, then retested it, making it a resistance. It's now a major resistance, and now it's falling like a pack of cards. So I'm already in this market already, so we're expecting it to drop. Though this is what I'm showing you is on a daily chart, so I'm expecting that this trade can ride till next week or even upper. It's a swing trade, so we're expecting to still drop, and I'm expecting it to go beyond this. But you can still use this as your target. You can use here as your target. You can use here as your target. But I still expect it to drop below this to here. Yes, I expect it to drop below this to here. So you can enter at the cross of your MACD, or you can actually go to a lower time frame if you're not that patient, because this, we're on a daily chart, so it's going to take longer time before this crosses. So you can go to a 1 hour chart. You can see what I told you. You can see the 1 hour chart. You can see the movement has been massive. So on the 1 hour chart, you can wait for it to cross back upwards. You can wait for the MACD to cross back upwards. When it cross back upwards here, when the MACD crosses above the 0, then wait for it to cross back downwards, just like it is here. Now when it's crossing back downwards, make sure that the price is still below the 200 EMA. Then with that you are good to go. With that you are good to go then. Yes, so always remember, the first is important that you always check the upper the higher trend, the higher time frame, to know the exact trend of the market. Then you go to a lower time frame to place your entry. So nothing fancy, nothing difficult. That's trading for you. So I'll see you guys next week. Remember, I'm Lekki Kayode, and I'd love to see you next week. Also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that I can get notifications. And also, if you want to learn how to trade, you want to learn our strategy, easy strategy for trading volatility 75 and boom and crash and volatility indices, join the Telegram group below and get free signals also. I'll see you some other time.